Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex here from SimpleModz and welcome back to another video. I've got a pretty quick one for you today. I just want to share my latest server rebuild. So it's a rebuild as most of the parts for the system came from my Game of Thrones themed server build that I featured on the channel just a couple of years ago. So I'll link that video down in the description. For those that haven't seen it before, you guys can go and check it out. So I just wanted to migrate everything into a more practical case and relocate the server into my closet just so I can save some space in this room. So luckily Nick from Gear Seekers had a spare half-rack server case that would fit my system and all the hard drives perfectly. So I'm still running the 10 terabyte IronWolf hard drives from Seagate, and I'm using unRAID as the OS. I don't really have any Dockers or anything special set up with it yet. However, I do have 60 terabytes of usable storage, with 2 of the 10 terabyte hard drives being used for redundancy. So speeds are not the craziest, however I am pretty happy that I've got everything wired up so I don't have to worry about any wireless interference between the server and my main rig that I'm using, and I'm getting about 100 megabytes per second transfer speeds or so, so I'm pretty happy with that. Give you guys a quick look around the studio as well. You can see how things have changed a little bit since my desk setup video. My Project Shady build is back up and running and the server build is tucked away nicely in the closet. And I also have a new chair from Tesoro, so this was courtesy of M-Wave, and you will find a link in the description so you guys can check that out as well. But anyways, enough about all that. Hope you guys enjoyed the new server build, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!